Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now let's check out some accessories I got for my 2021 Tesla Model 3. Let's check them out. So I chose to go with this phone mount by Jawa. What I like about it is that it's MagSafe for my iPhone 13. And also it comes with a USB-C cable that you route from the back here. As you can see, you can't see it, and it just routes through here, so it hides, and then it's supposed to go all the way back here and go into the USB-C ports. However, since I am using those, I used a drill, and I ended up drilling it through here, as you can see, and connected it inside here. That way it frees up my USB-C ports on the back, which I like to use for my blue lights. And here it is. So it just hides. You pull it up, and you can adjust this to be higher or lower. I like it right there, and it works great. There it is. So I highly recommend this one. I was gonna get the one that goes here or here, but I just didn't see myself always putting my hands through here to press the button. So I kind of like having it here, and I don't always use the phone right here. Most of the time I'm just charging it there, but for those times that I have like a Zoom meeting in the car, or if I decide I want to use Waze or Apple Maps, it's cool to have it there, and it charges the phone. So yeah, this is what I went for. And again, I'll try to put a link. I'm not affiliated with any of these products that I'm showing here, but yeah, this one's great. I highly suggest this one. So all right guys, I got these custom floor mats from a company called Well Mats USA on Instagram. They look awesome. Here's the passenger side and the back. Check out the back. Let me give you a better look at the back. And there it is. Check that out. Up holders with movement sensitive lights. If the car moves, it'll always light up, and you can change the colors. So this, I just ordered some RGB lights from Amazon, and just kind of put them behind the monitor. It comes with a remote control, so you can change the colors of the lights. I think it looks pretty cool, and I'll show you what it looks like on the back. I have a battery pack, and I have the lights there connected. I'll put a link. These lights are from tsportline.com. These lights I got from Amazon. These lights, they look awesome. I'll put a link for these as well. Got this Euro tag from licenseplates.tv. Love it. I also ordered a decal kit from nicolapro.com. So all my emblems are now red, including the steering wheel and all the exterior badging. I got this from Amazon, and it's super helpful for parking in the garage when I charge, and I'll put a link on these. They're awesome.